Listening 2.19. 1.
What does your brother do?
Listen again.
What does your brother do?
2.
Do you like spaghetti?
Listen again.
Do you like spaghetti?
3.
Where does she live?
Listen again.
Where does she live?
4.
How old is your mother?
Listen again.
How old is your mother?
5.
What do you do in the evening?
Listen again.
What do you do in the evening?
6.
Who is he?
Listen again.
Who is he?
7.
Do you speak French?
Listen again.
Do you speak French?
8.
Are they Jane's books?
Listen again.
Are they Jane's books?
9.
Do they have a car?
Listen again.
Do they have a car?
10.
Where do you go to English classes?
Listen again.
Where do you go to English classes?